There are two kinds of people in the world, those who believe in God and those who do not. Believing is trusting. Among those who don't believe in God, there are two kinds. The first kind of non-believer is the hardcore non-believer. The second one is the hypocritical believer, the fake Christian. A fake Christian is a hypocritical believer, a hypocritical Christian. Hypocritical is from a Greek word that means mask, putting a mask on. They're really non-believers because they don't believe in God, they don't trust God. So they're really non-believers, but they're wearing a mask. They profess that they are Christians. Trump is a professing Christian, but because of his actions and his lack of repentance, he is showing himself to be a false Christian, a hypocritical Christian, meaning he's really a non-believer. He really doesn't believe in God. He doesn't trust God, but he claims to and professes to be someone who believes/trusts God. But it's not true. It's just a mask. His Christianity is just a mask. And there are so many of them. All the unrepentant MAGA Christians, Catholics, Protestants, etc., whatever branch of Christianity may they belong to, if they continue to follow lies and oppression, this is a punishment. Inflation, too much. This is a punishment. This is gradual genocide. People can't afford food. Well, they still can, but it's just expensive, so expensive. Credit card debts are gonna go high. They're gonna make money. They're getting tax breaks. We don't have to be rocket scientists to perceive what's really going on. So pray, fast. Be someone who believes in God. Be someone who trusts in God. Because right now, there's just two choices.